Guys, welcome back to this week's video with Crafts with Ash. Today we're going to be doing Crafts with Ash Science Edition. So I'm going to be trying a cool science experiment. So we'll see how this goes. I got this idea from one of my really good friends and hopefully I can do this right. I don't know. I mean, we saw how last week went. So we'll see how this goes. I've also been sick this week, so I'm kind of losing my voice. So sorry if it's kind of hard to hear me. But so I'm going to be building a volcano and then like having it erupt, like basically like a first grade science experiment. And I've never done this before, so we're going to see if I can do it. So I think the first thing that we have to do, I have my computer sitting right here telling me all the different steps. So it says like to go outside, but like, I mean, I can do it inside, right?
I mean, I don't think it's gonna explode like that much.
Okay, so I need to like start by building my volcano. So I took a water bottle and I like cut the top off and then put an empty like pill container in there because it said that you should use one of these to put like the baking soda and the dye and like everything inside of here instead of like a whole water bottle. But I wanted to use the water bottle as kind of just like a base on how to build everything. And then for like building the outside of it, I bought this air dry clay. I couldn't like think of anything else like what to do. A lot of places online were saying do like paper mache and stuff, and I was like, that's gonna take too long and that's like too much work. So hopefully this stuff's like easier to work with a little bit. Like, I mean, it's pretty hard, but oh, so you're supposed to add water to it? I'm not sure. I think so, but I mean, well, this was only like $5 and I was being really stingy when I was planning for this video. So here's the entire thing of clay. Ew, it kind of smells bad. But I guess like we just start with the bottom. Okay guys, so I just got done building the volcano, if that's what we should call it. So I'm just gonna show it. So this is my volcano. I am well aware that it probably does not look like a volcano, but if we all just imagine that it's a volcano, it's gonna work exactly the same. Volcano, okay. So I had 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. So I have my pure baking soda that I got at Target. I thought there was like a side thing. Is that only on the old boxes? I swear they used to have like a side flap. I hate when that happens.
Gosh. Why do I struggle so hard at opening things?
Oh my gosh. Doesn't want to open. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 spoonfuls of baking soda, right? Baking soda, baking soda. That's too much. Is that like a good spoonful? That's a good spoonful. 1. 2. And then now, add about a spoonful of dish soap. I don't know why. I don't know, I didn't create this experiment. Oh, shoot. Is that enough? I don't know, I didn't think it would come out that fast. Duh. Okay. And then about 5 drops of each red and yellow. So this is yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm shaking so bad right now. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, now here's the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then, now for the eruption, add about an ounce of vinegar into the container and watch your volcano come alive. It's making green. Wait, do red and yellow make green? Yeah. It made green. Okay, I'm so scared. I don't know what's gonna happen. All right, guys. If it splatters on my ceiling, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It shouldn't be that bad. Ew, I just got vinegar on my hands. Okay, ready? Guys, nothing happened. Should I stir it? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so cool. Wow. Ooh. That's actually like so cool. I've never done this before. So I guess you do have to mix it. I was not aware of that. Probably have to mix everything together and then put the vinegar in. That would make a lot more sense. So I think the experiment turned out really good. I'm really happy with it and it looks pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for supporting me while I'm doing this for my project. I hope you guys laugh at all my mistakes just like I do. Please like and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up if you like it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. And then I want to get like I can try to make a thumbnail. By taking like Okay, let me wash my hands. Ow. You're not on vacation time. Hope this isn't hard to clean up. What if I spilled this all over my pants? I think it would cry. Ew, that would taste disgusting.